For part 5 of our basic laboratory techniques, measurements and calculations lab, we're going to determine the density of water. So first we're going to take our balance, which is already on, and we press the 0 button to make sure that we've got 3 zeros displayed, and we do. And so now we're going to take our clean, dry 10 milliliter graduated cylinder, and we're going to determine its mass by placing it on our balance. And so we see the display here for the mass of our graduated cylinder in grams, 37.44 grams. Now we're going to add enough water to the graduated cylinder so that we have between 9 and 10 milliliters. So now what we need to do is record the new mass of the graduated cylinder plus water, and we need to determine the volume, the exact volume of water that we added. So our display on our balance is reading 47.09. So the mass of the graduated cylinder plus water is 47.09 grams. And so now we take a look at the volume of the water. So I want to get eye level to the bottom of the curve, which of course again is our meniscus. And so we have 9.5, 9.6, 9.75. We have 9.75 milliliters of water in our cylinder. Now to find the mass of the water, you take the mass of the graduated cylinder plus water and subtract from it the mass of the graduated cylinder, and that will give you the mass of the water. So 47.09 minus 37.44 will give you the mass of the water. The volume of the water is 9.75 milliliters. Now the last calculation that you'll do once you go into your group meeting room is you'll determine the density of the water. The density of the water is going to be the mass of the water divided by the volume of the water. Make sure you show your density calculation on your data sheet.